Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now we need to install this free app, DevCheck Device and System Info from this developer, and when it's ready, click on Open. Now using this app you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!